Hello, dear School First families and teachers.
Welcome to July 14th.
2026 on the Family Life Skills calendar.
It's Bastille Day, a wonderful time to learn about France, its history, and the values of freedom, unity, and courage. Step 1. Discover the day. Tell your family that Bastille Day is the National Day of France. It is celebrated on July 14th to remember the people who stood together for freedom and justice. Step 2. Find France. Use a world map or globe to locate France. Talk about Paris, the Eiffel Tower, French food, art, music, and culture. Step 3. Learn the story. Explain simply that long ago, people in France wanted fairness and equal rights. Bastille Day reminds us that unity can bring positive change. Step 4. Make a flag. Create the French flag using blue, white, and red paper, crayons, or paints. Discuss how every country has special symbols and traditions. Step 5. Share and celebrate. Ask each family member to share one new thing they learned. Celebrate Bastille Day with curiosity, creativity, and respect for world cultures. Thanks for joining us today. See you tomorrow for another engaging prompt. School First calendar. Cherish today, celebrate tomorrow. Signing off from you, from the School First team. Thank you and all the best.